Okay, so this one is the 975.
So that was the 8.
That was 895.
Okay.
Yeah. Xin chào anh. Good day, good day.
Bring them
Okay.
in.
Let's go out. No worries, no worries. Okay, okay, now this is nice. What's up, bro? Good, good.
So this is a nicer version. Of
Yes, right?
Yeah.
And look at how it's lower.
Right. So this one is 9.
We're at 975.
975.
Yeah. So, and then baking oven.
So it's just under
with
$100 less than the one that we just went
exactly.
to. This is pretty much fully furnished.
Right. Basic furnished, yeah, basically furnished.
But
nicer. Yeah, I mean everything, the beds, everything is matching.
Right.
Where the other ones was like it was different style in this room, different style. Exactly.
Yeah.
Kept in good condition. Dryer also. So dryer machine and we got the baking oven.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So both of those things there.
Lots of storage.
Yeah, the other one had the little wooden one.
Yes.
Yeah, this is night and day. This is really night and day.
And then the aircon from the developers.
Yeah, all the units here have the same one.
Right.
Yeah, this is, yep. So you do. Yeah. And I guess it's good even for the repair guys too, because they only need to service one style of the machine or replacement parts. It's just one company. It makes sense. That's smart. Really smart.
Good fridge.
Yeah. This is a decent size.
Wow, this is huge. I should move the office
in
here.
Yeah, right? Yeah, you could. Same huge unit. They got the drying racks above you.
Yeah.
And you just control it with this guy here to bring it up and down.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. So, yeah.
It's like something else saw, but yeah.
Yeah.
So is this a combo washer dryer?
No. The separate
Okay.
dryer machine will be installed.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, for this unit, and the baking oven. Got a nice Toshiba. This is just microwave. Yeah, not induction. Okay.
So much like storage.
These are all soft close. Tika 3-burner oven hood.
This as well. This.
Oh yeah, right. Oh, that's what I was talking about.
Yeah.
This one moves too. This one moves.
Oh, it moves?
It moves.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So you could reposition. You could. First it was here. Yeah.
Then we moved here. I think it looks nice here.
Yeah. I think so too. It's kind of like a back table to the dining table. So interesting. Also soft close, very good. Yeah, this is nicely furnished. Nice sofa. Comfy. Ottoman. Samsung TV, smart TV. Very nice. With the smart remote. Got the Netflix. Cool. Okay, batteries. Oh, no, batteries working.
Oh, we do not have play.
No, you don't have it installed. No internet.
Internet, yeah.
Yeah, no worries. Just testing. Big balcony. What floor are we on again? I've got 18? 19, okay.
19.
Okay, so we went down. 1905, okay. Interesting. All right. We have these installed. These are for pet safety. Cool, man. So far, this is the best apartment we saw in this building, by the way.
I've heard like the pet best view.
Best view, yeah.
In this building.
True, because you're looking directly at the river view and the bridge, Fumi Bridge. So, yeah, that's a good point. Very good point. Okay, depth. Depth. Primary, okay. Got the built-ins here. TV table-ish. This could be changed. This is very cheap foam. Not really comfortable. Little makeup table. Large wardrobe with the LED. In the same bath. The soaking bathtub. It's cool. Then the second, okay, perfect. So just a futon. Yeah. So this is just a futon. Put that up. Uh-oh. And can easily turn this to office. Yeah, right? Built-ins. Got the wall here. And you can easily turn this into an office. Carpet inside there.
Do you get nice sunrises out here?
Sunrise.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. It is very peaceful today.
Yeah.
Right? Thinking about it to myself. Right, yeah. Make this a silent auction. Who's betting against me? Your own agent's betting against you. Oh, the storage too.
Yeah.
Oh, now that's cool. They really got a lot of storage here.
Yeah.
They did well. They did really well. There's another big huge storage here.
So am I correct
At the door.
in thinking this is just central AC?
Yeah, it's central-ish. Right, central-ish. The wall units are here.
Right.
So you still have the controls for
Yeah.
each individual one.
Right.
So these are like a dual climate. So you have two in here,
Right.
you know, one here and one in this main area.
Yeah.
And then each room has their own
Sure.
standard one, which is the wall unit.
Right.
Yeah. But this one makes it a little bit seamless. You don't have the big aircon on the wall.
Sure.
So a little bit of design, a little bit of. Okay, the chairs are strong. Not that issue like before. Nice mirror unit there. Cool.
It's nice to see this one properly furnished. Like the other one was furnished, but you couldn't really get an idea because it was a little bit.
Yeah.
But you can see what you can do for the space.
Right.
Yeah.
You can easily turn that to an office.
Yeah.
That little futon thing can be moved out if you don't want it.
Right.
It takes up
right.
more space.
And what's nice, you've got guests like that's over there.
True.
So it's
Separate.
kind of-
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Only thing else I would change would be the mattress.
Sure. Yeah. The one
That's
I've got at the
not-
moment is like concrete.
Yeah. Yeah. A proper spring mattress would be nice there.
Yeah.
Cool.
Perfect.
Check out the pool and gym.
Yes.
You see a Haboy?
To be clear, we have never been accused of being flashy, sexy, or lit. May I? We're definitely not lit. I mean, seriously, we named ourselves,
Saigon Cribs.
which is kind of lit if we're talking literal. But it's who we are. We're good at helping you book travel. Like, amazingly good. And kind of bleep at naming.
Saigon Cribs. Booking now. It's a gym.
Oh,
So you got
nice.
multiple gyms in the facility. Yeah.
So I don't have to
Multiple
be fast
gyms.
foot anymore.
Yeah. You can get in shape. I'm about to start swimming. Xin chào. Swimming is a good exercise, by the way.
Yeah.
My
That's
friends
a
are
nice
professionals. Yeah. We got covering though. We got covering here-ish. So this is, both the pools about the same size. And you can walk through the other one and
Right.
in between the other one is a similar.
Yeah, it's so much fresher here as well.
Yeah, we're in the countryside. Yeah, we're still in the countryside here.